Hi, this is Brian. We're at a job site today. We're helping put down a refined deck from MoistureShield, and we're using a Mantis clip system with the Senko gun. I know most of you guys have seen our other videos, but this one's really nice because there's an improvement that I'm going to show and tell you about at the end of the video. So what we got set: 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 clips are down. And what we call this is a pre-stage position, so that the clip is already there, ready to go. So Dusty's at the helm right now. He's taking a video, and I'm running through here to show how quick this goes together. So the reason we do this, the hose should be behind me. Here, I'm going to cheat. We're going to start with one already done. Oh, we're going to bring the hose behind me. So the lesson is to have your compressor behind you, but here we go. You ready, Dusty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So what I'm doing is basically sliding each clip into position as far as you can reach from the side. You can set them up to go. You just slide it right into the trough. I'm going to step one more this time. Reach over a little bit. Compressor's down. Not everybody gets a chance to build a deck at ground level. So if I was going to do this in the air, where it's 10 feet off the ground, I would do what's called an over-the-shoulder technique, where I'm bringing the gun around this way through my legs. You might be able to show that later. Oh, guess what? I hung up on a nail screw before. Okay, done. Only one when the compressor died.